What's good, Clutch family? It's your girl Elmarkey in Paris, and I'm back with another video for Vlogmas. Today we're going to have some fun. We're going to make a holiday festive inspired alcoholic drink to get you over into the new year. I'm just going to show you the things that you need. You need some passion fruit juice, some Grey Goose, some ginger ale, the cranberry kind, and some dailies and some sugar. Let's get started. Here I have my Grey Goose. I have already poured in my dailies, and we're going to use 2/3 of a cup of Grey Goose, and we're just going to pour that in. Next, we're gonna pour in 1/2 cup of the Canada Dry cranberry ginger ale that's caffeine free. So we're gonna pour that in. We're gonna pour in our passion fruit cocktail juice, and I'm gonna use 1/2 cup of it. Just gonna pour it in like that. Oh, listen to the sizzle. I love it. Well, here's my end result. I added a candy cane for some holiday flair along with a holiday straw, and I cannot wait to sip on my cocktail. But I wanted to pop in this video a little bit to tell you guys something before I go. Hi guys, if you made it through that short video, give yourself a hand clap. Thank you for stopping by. I am Elmarkey in Paris. I do fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. But today, of course, was a lifestyle video. For adults only. This drink is so good. It's so refreshing. Hope you guys try this recipe. It's very simple, quick, easy to make. If you have friends over for the holidays, for Christmas, or for New Year's, give it a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when my next upload is. And as always, until next time, everybody, stay clutch. Bye. Bye.